Hello and welcome to Talking Tech for your home-based business. We all know that our business runs much better and that we can be way more productive when we use the right systems and tools. I'm Michelle Guinn and I'm here to not only show you some really cool tools for your business, but also how to use them. The content in these videos are my own opinions, and I'm here to introduce you to tools that have made an impact on my productivity and my business. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own website, and I'm super excited about this. Now remember to like and share this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you always have the latest and greatest information on the best tools and systems for your business. Now, let's go ahead and get started. Today's platform that I want to show you is a tool that I actually found at the very beginning of my journey of looking how to create my own business and my own home-based business. And this was a platform I found kind of out of necessity because I wanted to learn how to create my own website. Now, this was a few years back, and I knew I didn't want to have to learn HTML or how to code anything. I had no idea how to do it or what to do or where to get started. And I found this system that basically takes you from a complete beginner having no clue what to do, how to do it, into building the most beautiful, professional, functional websites for your business. Now, the name of this platform is Wealthy Affiliate. Now, I don't want you to be turned off or get sidetracked by the name, okay? There is an affiliate program that goes along with this, but you know what? Most systems and tools out there have an affiliate program, a program where you can refer others and actually earn a little bit of cash. And you know what? As a home-based business, that's something you really want to find out more about, because in addition to your core business, whether you're a coach, whether you're selling things, whatever your core business is, you're going to want to find other ways to earn some extra income. And being an affiliate for other people's platforms, other people's products, is really a great way to do that. So don't be put off by the name, Wealthy Affiliate. It's just the name of the platform. They do teach you how to do affiliate marketing as well as build your website. It's all in one encompassing system. So this is the system here itself. It's called Wealthy Affiliate. You sign up, it's got a membership, and let me just show you a little bit of the home screen. I do want to, as I normally do, show you exactly what the pricing plans are for this before we dive in. Now, one little small change with this particular video, I'm not going to go a whole lot into how to use this, because I'm so confident that once you get into this, the training in this site, which is really what I want to highlight, is so good that it's literally going to take you from A to Z with the training. So I'm not even going to try to dive into that because there would be so much, and these guys do such an amazing job with that. So I just want to get you in here so that you can get into the training and start learning how to build your website. So let me jump over to the pricing pages, and actually if you just click the Get Started here, and it will take you, actually I don't want to do that because I want to go actually to the pricing pages. So I've already got that pulled up here. Okay, so when you go into the different options, okay, so there is a free starter beginning package, and it will host one website, and you do get some support and the very beginner core training. So it will show you from the beginning how to set up your website. And the starter might be something, if you're kind of on the fence and you're not quite sure if this is a tool that you're going to want to use in the long run, go ahead and do that starter package. Start it out for free. Start checking it out. See if this is something that's going to benefit you and benefit your business and what you're trying to do. Because you know, as a business owner, we all need a website, right? And it's super expensive to have someone else build a website for you. I'm not going to sugarcoat that. I've looked into it myself. But imagine if you could pay only this, either start for free or go ahead and go up into the premium, $4.95 a year. They also have a monthly billing. Okay, $49 a month for a total package, and I'll show you everything that's included with this. But imagine being able to pay that versus paying $4,000 for someone to build a website for you. And then you have to keep going back to them anytime you want to make a change or add a new blog post or whatever it is. With this, you can completely control it, make any of the changes you want to, and it's going to teach you how to do it. So for me, the benefit of knowing how to do it, knowing how to maintain my own website without paying thousands of dollars for somebody else to do something that I might not even like, it just was a huge benefit for me. So I did start with the starter. I did start for free. And honestly, very quickly, probably within just a few days, I made the decision to upgrade to the premium. And here's why. Here's what you get. So when you go with the premium package, which is the $49 per month, or the yearly billing of $4.95, which is what I do. I get it billed once a month. But it allows me to host up to 10 websites. So I've got my core business website, it's called themichelleguinn.com, and I've built that completely using this program if you want to check it out. When I first started, I built a little horse blog because I own a horse and I love horses. And so I built this little horse blog, and it's very simple, and I used it to just post different articles about different things with horses, of course. So this was my little website, and I even was able to set up a merchandise store right from my website. And then I'm also going to talk to you a little bit further in this video about how to actually set up ads on your website as well, which can be very beneficial and can earn you a lot of money if you do it right. So let's go back. So within the Wealthy Affiliate package, the annual package or the monthly that you get, so you get the 10 websites, you get unlimited support, and these guys are amazing. So if you run into any issues whatsoever with something not working properly on your website, or you just have a question that you can't figure it out and it's not in the community forum, which I'm going to tell you about that as well in a little bit, you submit a support ticket, and within a few hours you'll get a response, and they're so helpful and very quick to respond. So I love that about this is the support, and I think we all know as business owners that the proper support is really priceless. So you get all levels of the core training, so from A to Z, how to do everything. This Jaxi is actually a keyword search tool, and it also, within the training, will talk to you about how important keywords are with incorporating those into your articles and your paragraphs and your website itself in order to help you get ranked on Google searches. So that having that included as part of your membership is really great as well. So again, the training courses that come with this, just unlimited training. It's so detailed. It's so beginner friendly. They literally say start here, click here, go there. And it's so useful, so helpful. You get your websites, your website builders. It's all on WordPress. So if you've used WordPress before, which is a very common website building tool, you'll be really already used to using this. So there's so much that comes with it. Unlimited supports, 24/7, unlimited questions, plus you get the community center, which I really want to explain that to you. So I'm going to go ahead and get over to my Wealthy Affiliate site. So let me log in here. Okay, so once you log in, you'll see you have the home, you have a dashboard. And this is really where the community center comes in. Think of this almost like a social network, so almost like a Facebook or a Twitter kind of area, to where people can post their own stories, they can post their own best practices, and then you can leave comments and talk back and forth with each other. Over here, there's a say something, so you can actually post questions to the community. Now, this is a community of millions of people who have either been with this program for a while, are brand new, people who are experienced in building websites and building like Shopify type stores and building affiliate marketing communities or sites. So you can literally post a question and members will come in and they'll answer your question based on their experiences. So for me, that's priceless to be able to have an entire community of people to be able to answer any question. Another really nice thing is it does have a search. So let's say if I wanted to search and find out how do I do this? How do I set up a Shopify store? How do I incorporate ads on my website? So right here, there's people who just post blogs on their best practices on how you post an ad on your site. And there's all kinds of information about how to do that. And you can look up multiple people because multiple people might be using different types of tools that they've found. So just really being able to have this search within this function is amazing. So you're going to say, well, okay, Michelle, so you've told us about the searches and you've told us about the training. So how do I build my website? Like, where does that come in? And that's where this comes in. So from the training, actually, if you go from the very beginner get started course, and actually this one comes with the free version, so you'll be able to come in here and actually start using this. But if you see, it talks to you about how do you make money online, choosing a niche if you don't already have a niche within your business, how to choose that niche, how to build your website based on that niche, how to set it up, how to make sure that you're getting results from the search engines. And that's where those keyword searches comes in, and that Jaxi tool, they teach you how to use that, how to create your first website. And it really does take you from very beginning to the more advanced as you go into the training. So invaluable, and this will show you exactly how you set up and build your website. It's going to show you how to create your own URLs versus you can get them here, so you don't have to go to GoDaddy or a similar URL site. You can reserve them on GoDaddy and it'll tell you exactly how to set it up here so that you can have it pointing to your new website. It also offers email. Let me just go to my website here. If you give me 1 second, if I go to my site manager, this is where I have all my websites set up, okay? And if you see, I can go to my domains, I can manage my domains here. I can see if there's feedback based on my site. Oh, this is a really cool tool also, where you can request feedback from the community and say, hey, I just put my new website up, what do you guys think? And you can then have them come back to you and say, I love this, I don't like this, the colors are all wrong, the wording's in the wrong place, whatever it may be, and you can actually get feedback from the community. So how cool is that, to be able to have access to that and that feedback? If you're not sure if you're doing the right thing for your website, you can have experts or people who have been doing this for a while kind of give you comments and help you out with your website. You can manage your site comments right from here, and you can manage your site email. So when you get a URL and use it within the Wealthy Affiliate site, you get unlimited. I'm not sure it's unlimited. I don't want to speak wrong, but I know I have at least 2 for each right now. I'm not sure how many more I could add. But you simply, you simply put in the information, choose which domain you want to use, and create an email address. So no more generic Gmail accounts. You can use your email directly from here using your very own domain with it. So that's a really nice feature as well. And then of course the site support. And this is where you'll go ahead and submit any questions, any problems, anything that you have going wrong with your sites. So if we go back to Site Manager, again, this is all my sites, and you'll see it actually prompts you, okay, how is your site doing? My site, it's telling me I need work, probably because I have, I don't post every day. It's not really a blog site, so that kind of will pull back my site health. There's just different things within it, and you'll learn all of this from the training. And it tells me my site is Googled, indexed on Google. And so it's really just user friendly. It's such a nice system. If you've ever wanted to but just were afraid to think about building your own website, don't be. This is the place to go that's going to teach you exactly how to do it. You literally could have your own website up and published and give somebody a URL within 24 hours and have it done. And I love that about this. So I highly encourage you to check this out. Again, maybe check the free version. Get in here, start doing some snooping around, maybe take that first few training classes and see if this is something right for you. And if it is, then go ahead and dive in. Create your own blog site and learn how to monetize it. If you're a coach or a trainer, if you have a store, you sell things and maybe haven't gone through setting up a Shopify store, there's a way to do that here, and it works very well. So much that you could do with this, and it is well worth the annual price of the $459. Let me go back. $495, or you could do it monthly at $49 a month. I can't speak to the Premium Plus because I have not had to go that route. So you would have to do your own research to see if that's something that would be more beneficial to your needs. But for me, again, I've had this probably for 3 or 4 years, and I've never had to go above the premium, and it does everything that I need it to do for any of my website ideas that I have. I have probably, I think I have 4 or 5 of them up already right now. So I'll go ahead and put the link to join, or to at least take a look for yourself at the Wealthy Affiliate. If it's a tool that you feel is going to be really beneficial to you, I highly, highly recommend it. And remember to like and share this video, and to be sure to subscribe to my channel so you always have the latest and greatest information on the best tools and systems for your business. Now, I will talk with you all again real soon.